Welcome to another video of the Eco Sounder, which to find the depth of the sea or find the fish. It works for both of them. So it has a capacity of up to 300 meters or 90 meters, 300 feet. So this has a range. You can see this is a finder, and fish manual is there with us. The parts, if you talk about the parts, this is a temperature sensor, eco sounder. This surface is there. It tells you sonar working surface. This is a multi-function switch and LCD display, and this is a end cap. You can tie this, and then battery charging from the back side. You can open this, take out the battery. I have just taken out. Red indicator tells you it is charging is going on, and green tells you it's completely charged. If I just charge for 5-6 minutes, then this can be attached. This display tells you this is the in centigrade temperatures, and meter and feet, battery status, big fish, small fish, and smaller fish, group of the fish, and then it can be use the app. The depth can be seen on the app, either Android or iOS. Automatically, if you scan this, it will open this app, and then it opens the app. Then you have to connect it to the app, and then this is simulator. If you connect to the simulator, it tell you how to check the different things, how the working is. You have to connect it to the Bluetooth. It will automatically connect from your phone, and then these are the parameters. It tells you these are the informations, the cam sonar working, and then there are manuals. Full manual is there. All details, working parts, battery parts. Then how the depth can be seen. This depth can be seen in meters and in feet also. It tells you mostly it works up to this way. It tells you how much is the feet. It says 26 feet and 78 feet, and these are the meters. And then there are working full manual, and this will also come sensitivity. What is the sensitivity? It tells how much is the sensitivity, say percentage of sensitivity in the mobile app. All these working parts are there. Now I show you. I have put the battery for 5-10 minutes. When you start the battery, take out the battery. Initially, I have just taken out the plastic paper from it. The other one, which is unused, is currently coming with a just take it out and charge it, and then you have to put it inside. It goes. There are 2 electrodes inside. You see these 2 electrodes are there. It goes only from this side. It goes other way it will not go. So this goes only from this way. Close it. Waterproof. Now I press it and see this display is there. It tells you the temperature in meters, distance in meters, and then temperature it will sense after few seconds. After 10 seconds, every 10 seconds there is a reading change, and then it will work. These are the multi switches. Now 31.4 degrees is the temperature. It will not work on the smaller. It tells you. I just show you where it will work or where it will not work. There is one more manual is there. It will tells you. It does not check the water tank, small water tank, where there is a very small muddy place. This is the battery system. You have to open it. It does not work in the bucket or in small aquarium, but it works. Minimum distance is 2.6 feet is the minimum distance to work for the sonar. And then these are the apps. If the air layer is there, it will not work. So it tells you the depth as well as it tells you the meter. If you have to switch off, you have to just keep it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 off. Then we release it automatically. If it is connected to the Bluetooth, it will be on, and if you leave it idle for 10 minutes, it will automatically switch off. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel abron01@gmail.com or abronexports, and these are WhatsApp numbers. Please send us the WhatsApp and subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much.